Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom, almost to the very bottom, to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 21 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can of course tap on this graph and we will be transferred to this dashboard where we can check the screen time, for example, in particular days of the week. We've got also notifications and unlocks, and under it, for example, we've got the timers. So if you will decide that you're spending too much time on the screen or actually on one app, you can set the timer. So for example, for the camera, you can add the schedule, you can choose specific days of the week, you can also set the timers, and let me, for example, set maybe something like that. And we've got a 1 hour set, which means that we can use the camera for only 1 hour during a day. It will reset at the midnight, I believe, and the other day you will also be able to use the camera or any other app for 1 hour. So that's really a nice option, thanks to which you can really limit the time you're spending on the specific app. And here we've got also screen time goals, so you can set the goal. For example, I wish I will use the screen for only, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. 30 minutes a day. So just set it and tap on done, and as you can see here we've got the goal and 8 minutes are remaining until this goal. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.